Hi, in this video today we're going to be dealing with spam and spam comments and how it affects the life and the security of your website. And I'm going to be talking to you specifically about installing a plugin called Akismet to your site. So security for your website, very important. This is what we're going to be talking about. Wanted to go over Akismet the plugin. You can see it's trusted by over 5 million sites currently, and over 4.7 stars out of 5 for over 998 reviews. That's a lot. There's a lot of people that actually took the time to write the review. But you want to be looking at Akismet the plugin, and the reason we're going to be covering is in the details and how to use Akismet and how to set it up on your websites. What we're going to do is go over this, how to get this, how to use it on your site, and show you how it works. Really basically easy to set up, how to get your API key, and so you have it on your website. So it's effectively controlling spam on your site. Now, I wanted to show you that we're going to put it on this site here. I don't have Akismet on here, but I'm going to show you a site that doesn't have Akismet on it now. It used to, but I keep getting comments. You're going to have this happen to you as well on your WordPress site. Let's go and take a look at this, show you real quick what this looks like. This is in foreign languages, miscellaneous BS to get a link from your site. What I do is every time I come in here to check on plugins, I control it by clicking on this as a bulk action, and I say move to trash, and that'll clear it up. But Akismet will do this automatically for you. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to cover how to get Akismet and how to load it into your WordPress site. Okay, so there is another way to control it, control comments to a point. If you come down here under settings and click on general settings and go to discussion, and there's a bunch of things you can check off down through here. You can control comments. You see I have a few things checked off here, but it doesn't do much of any good. These are here. You can use them for things like if you want comments and you want to control who makes comments, like you want to control comments and you have to approve them when they come in, like you saw the comments a minute ago. I could approve all those comments and they'll be published on post on my site, but you can control it in here, but it doesn't do as much of a job as cleaning it up personally, like I showed you with going to comments and or using Akismet. So that's why we're going to teach you how to use a plugin called Akismet. Okay, so how do you find Akismet? Well, you go down here, click on plugins. It'll take you to where your plugins are installed. You want to click on add new, and then over here and for search plugins, we're going to put in Akismet, and it should pop right up. There it is, by Automatic Anti-Spam Team. Just going to say install it now. This is free, and we're going to push activate. Okay, so I just added Akismet to my site. Better skin over 50. Here it is. We're going to go to the settings, or we can go up here. It says set up your Akismet account. So let's click on that. Now it says set up your Akismet account or manually enter API. Let's do set up the account. And then here, what you want to do is you don't want to pay for it. So let's say you're going to use it as a personal account, not a professional account. Take this here, drop this down to 0. Now to work that, you have to click these off here. Verify non-commercial use. I don't have ads. I don't sell products or services. And I don't promote a business on my site. And it says continue a personal subscription, and then it goes to checkout here and enter your billing information, and then you're going to want to put in the information for billing right here. Okay, so in here it wanted credit card information, and so I just clicked on assign a payment later because we're not paying anything, and the cost is 0. And let's click on this and see what happens here. Now we're trying to get an API key for Akismet to work on this site. That's what this is all about. And there we go. Your purchase has been completed. Account overview. And then here's my key right here. So we're going to copy API key. Now we suggest copying this and then going back to the site here and manually enter the key here. connect with API key. And there it is. It's not protecting. You want to decide how you want it. If you want to silently discard worse, and then you'll have some things left in the folder to look at. It says spam folder older than 15 days is deleted automatically. Do not display private notice. Okay, save notices. We're just going to save that to make sure the API is correct. And then it should be working. That's it. That's how you do it for your site. So that's it for our video for controlling spam on your website by using a plugin named Akismet. And we went over how to find it, how to activate it, and how to use it. And I hope you liked the video. Hope you got something from the video. If you did, please give me a large thumbs up, like the video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't subscribed to our channel, Digital High Road. We appreciate that. Thanks for watching today. Take care. God bless.